Unfortunately, thereafter, the investigation officers change, or the police officials change in Kadapa. Again, this has been a problem. Then when I talk to when we have a family meeting, in fact, I'm told that if I push for CBI, because by this time I'm asking for CBI inquiry, and believe me, I asked everybody to help me. There's not a single particular person, particular party. Everybody who's helping me is helping me. At that point, I asked for help. People keep saying that, she's talking to certain people. No, I spoke to you first. I spoke to my chief minister, my brother first. CBIకి పోదాం అంటేనా సిబిఐకి వెళ్తే అవినాష్ బీజేపీ పార్టీకి మారుతాడు. What connection has that to do with me asking for a CBI inquiry? CBIకి పోతే this will be my 12th case that I'll be dealing with. I mean, come on. I'm asking for justice here. And then you start putting the blame on my husband at the same occasion. Uncalled for. Even at that point, I told him, okay, if there's a doubt, please investigate. I have no issues. Investigate me, investigate my husband, no problem. Nothing happened. Neither we are investigated, neither they are investigated. Come on, you need justice. Whoever has done, even if I have done it, you should punish me. Nothing is done. Repeated meetings over the couple of months that I had with family members trying to persuade Y.V. Subba Reddy, Y.S.N.L. Reddy, Sajjal Ramakrishna Reddy. The number of times we tried to negotiate, convince them. Nothing happens. Finally, I had to file a petition for a transfer of the case to CBI. And surprisingly, the earlier petition is now withdrawn. ముందు ఫైల్ చేసిన CBI petition, the chief minister withdraws the petition. ఎందుకు? All of this have happened even before CBI పోవడానికి. Then CBI takes over. You want to put that, ma'am? Subsequently, CBI takes over the case, and eventually, sometime in July 2020, CBI investigation మొదలు పెడుతుంది. CBI starts the investigation, and takes them over a year. ఒక సంవత్సరం పట్టింది తర్వాత అరెస్టులు చేయడానికి, ఛార్జ్ షీట్లు ఫైల్ చేసేదానికి. అంతవరకు ఓ మోతాదులో జరుగుతూ ఉన్నింది. ఇట్ వాస్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్ సమ్ వాట్. ఇట్ వాస్ స్లో, బట్ ఇట్ వాస్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్. ద మూమెంట్ A5 వాస్ అరెస్టెడ్, A5ని అరెస్ట్ చేసినారు. A5 అంటే డి శివశంకర్ రెడ్డి. మొత్తం చేంజ్ అయ్యింది. సినారియో చేంజ్డ్ ఆఫ్టర్ డి శివశంకర్ రెడ్డి వాస్ అరెస్టెడ్. నౌ if you think why, there was now fear that started. Once Shankar has been arrested, who is next in the line? Next in the line would be Bhaskar Reddy, Avinash Reddy. So with that started the cases on CBI officers. CBI officers మీద కేసులు పెట్టడం మొదలు పెట్టారు from the witnesses చేత కేసులు పెట్టించడం మొదలు పెట్టారు. This is the amount of influence that they have in the state of AP, in the place of Kadapa. So cases were being filed on the CBI, and then CBI withdraws its team from Kadapa. Investigation stops. December 2021, or no, Jan-Feb 2022, CBI teams leaves Kadapa. తర్వాత ఇన్వెస్టిగేషన్ ఎవరు చేస్తారు? CBI has to be there on the ground to do the investigation. If they are not there, who will do the investigation? Because there are cases on them. Subsequently, the investigation what it appears to me at least, is that it restarted after the Supreme Court gave the verdict saying that close this investigation as soon as possible. And in the same judgment, transfer the trial from AP to Telangana. So Supreme Court recognized that yes, there is a problem there and transferred the trial out of the state. Investigation restarts now with a base in Hyderabad. Obviously it stopped and they have to restart. Start with my cousin Avinash, Vice Avinash Reddy. Now think about it. The MLA of the place or the MP of the place have a responsibility to ensure that there is no crime, to ensure that investigations are done quickly. So if a leader in your place has been killed, it's duty bound upon the leaders to follow up on the investigation. Not once did any of these people try to follow up and find out what has happened. Investigation is happening, not happening. Avinash అప్పటి వరకు ఒక్కసారి కూడా యాజ్ అ మెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పార్లమెంట్ మీ ప్రెడిసెసర్ అయితే ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో ఆ పొజిషన్లో ఆయన హత్య చేయబడితే ఏమవుతుంది ఇన్వెస్టిగేషన్ అన్న ఆతృతతో కొంచెం ఎంక్వైరీ చేసి త్వరగా చేయాలి ఇన్వెస్టిగేషన్ అని నాకు తెలిసిన నా ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ షేర్ చేసే బదులు సిబిఐ వాళ్ళు పిలిస్తే నాకు వేరే పనులు ఉన్నాయి, ఇప్పుడు నాకు తీరిక లేదు, నాకు టైం ఇవ్వాలి, ఒక 5 రోజులు నోటీస్ ఇవ్వాలి బిఫోర్ ఐ కెన్ కమ్. Why would you do that? You should be anxious to find the culprit. Instead of that, you're dilly-dallying and wasting time. So eventually, he gets in front of the officers and the officers ask him to come back again and again. And then, తర్వాత మనకు అందరికీ తెలుసు కర్నూలులో ఏమైందో. Has anybody seen anywhere in the country where CBI goes and waits for 2 days, ఒక ఊర్లో wait for the suspect to come to them? If they've gone to question, you question. If they've gone to arrest, you arrest. Neither. They ask local police for assistance. Local police? Where is their assistance? I don't know. Then after 2 days, they return back empty-handed. And it is public record. It's on public record what I'm telling you.